Aptera's new solar electric vehicle has been shaking up the EV industry in a big way. But how? Every auto manufacturer strives to be innovative. The constant development of new technologies pushes the boundaries of what's possible. In the past 5 years, major advancements have been made in electric vehicle efficiency. An efficient EV can go a lot further on a single charge than a normal electric vehicle with the same size battery, saving time and money. Hi, this is Echo Electric, where we talk about all things concerning EVs. Remember to like the video. If you're enjoying our content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay connected. Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost 2 siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you'll want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. American EV maker Aptera has been pursuing electric vehicle efficiency since 2006. In 2019, founders Chris Anthony and Steve Fambro began working on the first solar electric, believed to be the most innovative EV yet. The long history of electric vehicles. The history of electric cars is often disputed. Some credit Hungarian inventor Ányos István Jedlik, who made the first electric model car in 1828, while others credit American inventor and blacksmith Thomas Davenport in 1835. Davenport created a small locomotive powered by 2 electromagnets that ran on a track. Since then, other EVs have made an appearance throughout history, with one becoming more powerful, more efficient, and able to go further on a single charge than previous models. A notable breakthrough came in 1997 with the Toyota Prius hybrid, followed by the Tesla Roadster in 2008. 2011 marked Chevrolet's entry into the EV market when it introduced its plug-in hybrid Volt EV. The Volt used technology developed by the U.S. Department of Energy. Tesla continued to advance the EV market with more electric vehicles, launching the Model X in 2015 and Model 3 in 2017. Today, nearly every automaker has a hand in producing electric vehicles or battery packs, improving on previous technologies to produce the most efficient EV ever. Types of electric vehicles. Let's look at a few types of electric vehicles available today. These include battery electric vehicles. A battery electric vehicle is basically a vehicle that doesn't use gasoline. Battery electric car that don't use any gasoline, but instead runs solely on electricity stored in a battery pack that energizes one or more electric motors and produces 0 tailpipe emissions. These cars can be charged most anywhere, anytime, and usually at a much lower cost than fueling with gasoline. Battery electric vehicles make use of a battery pack to store the electrical energy that powers the motor. The batteries are charged by plugging the vehicle into an electric power source. An example of this is the Tesla Model 3. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. A plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is a hybrid electric vehicle whose battery pack can be recharged by plugging a charging cable into an external electric power source, in addition to internally by its onboard internal combustion engine power generator. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles use batteries to power an electric motor, as well as another fuel, such as gasoline or diesel, to power an internal combustion engine or other propulsion source. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles can charge their batteries through charging equipment and regenerative braking. Hybrid electric vehicles. A hybrid electric vehicle is a type of hybrid vehicle that combines a conventional internal combustion engine system with an electric propulsion system. The presence of the electric powertrain is intended to achieve either better fuel economy than a conventional vehicle or better performance. Today's hybrid electric vehicles are powered by an internal combustion engine in combination with one or more electric motors that use energy stored in batteries. Hybrid electric vehicles combine the benefits of high fuel economy and low tailpipe emissions with the power and range of conventional vehicles. Fuel cell electric vehicles. A fuel cell vehicle or fuel cell electric vehicle is an electric vehicle that uses a fuel cell, sometimes in combination with a small battery or supercapacitor, to power its onboard electric motor. Fuel cells in vehicles generate electricity, generally using oxygen from the air and compressed hydrogen. Unlike conventional internal combustion engine vehicles, these vehicles produce no harmful tailpipe emissions. Fuel cell electric vehicles are fueled with pure hydrogen gas stored in a tank on the vehicle. For example, Toyota's Mirai has an electrochemical cell that directly takes fuel from a hydrogen tank, combines it with oxygen, and converts it into electricity. A fuel cell stack drives a DC electric motor that is connected to a regenerative braking system and battery pack. Solar electric vehicles like Aptera's SEVs are powered by solar panels. This means never having to plug in the vehicle under normal use. The solar panels constantly recharge the vehicle, in addition to providing extra range while on the road. The three-wheeled car is super lightweight and efficient. It achieves this through a few design strategies. It zeroes in on minimizing drag and weight, and its chassis further reduces weight and decreases roll resistance. Because of its innovative design, the Aptera can achieve a range of up to 1,000 miles. Much further than the nearest competitor, the 2022 Lucid Air Dream Edition, which can only reach 520 miles per charge. Using only solar power, the Aptera can travel 40 miles per day under ideal conditions, close to the 39 miles per day average, according to the U.S. Department of Transportation. Under normal use, you essentially get to use your Aptera without ever charging it. Aptera can be upgraded with additional solar panels to get an additional 24 miles per day and has continuous charging technology. Its solar panels are designed to charge the vehicle, whether it is moving or stationary. Aptera may gain 500 miles in 1 hour if charged at 50 kilowatts rapid DC fast charging. This is on par with today's EVs, but what makes Aptera unique is that it takes less power to achieve. Home charging is made easy with 110 volt or 220 volt standard charging available. The most innovative feature about the new Aptera is that if there is no level 2 charging station available, you still get 5 to 7 miles per hour of solar charge rate. Compared to other EVs, this is 3 times more efficient, according to its website. Benefits of solar electric vehicles. Electric vehicle battery pack prices have come down over the years, but some would argue not fast enough. Potential buyers are still concerned about EV prices and ranges per charge. Aptera is the next step in EV evolution. Efficiency is at the core of its philosophy. Using solar panels on top of the vehicle to produce enough electricity to travel above the average miles per day is true innovation. It had to determine what factors hindered maximum efficiency. These include aerodynamics, weight, roll resistance, internal components, and power. Reduction allows you to travel farther and faster with less energy. Reducing weight, wind drag, and the power consumed by internal components, it's able to maximize efficiency. As a result of Aptera's innovation, people will be able to travel long distances with less infrastructure. The need to look for a charging point will be minimized or even obsolete, so you can look forward to uninstalling those EV charging station finder apps from your phone. Because of its solar panels, it can also serve as a backup power source during a blackout. Another important advantage is that it doesn't add to the strain on the power grid, which is a genuine concern in some countries. EVs are at the cutting edge of electric vehicle technology. There's no denying this technology will be used in other auto manufacturers' EVs. The only question is how much will be applied and how long it will take to reach maturity. Now that the bar has been raised, EV makers can only push the technology forward. Aptera will be observed closely to see how well it does. If the rollout meets expectations, it will be the green light car makers need to take the EV market to another level, with Aptera leading the way. But what do you think of this SEV? Would you want to get one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this coming in the future. And if you feel touched to contribute to Lewin's treatment, don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page in the description below. Thank you, and thanks for watching.